Hello, welcome back. This is lecture 3 of our lecture series on basics of computer networking. If you haven't watched lecture 2, please check the link in the description box below. In this video, we will discuss the different types of networks. Computer networks range from simple networks consisting of two computers to networks connecting millions of devices. Computer network infrastructure varies in terms of number of users connected, size of the area covered, number and the type of services available, and area of responsibility. Next, we will see the different types of networks. As shown in the picture, there are different types of networks. The first one is WAN, also known as wireless body area networking, body sensor network, or medical body area network. It is a wireless network of wearable computing devices. It can be embedded inside the body, may be surface mounted on the body, or can be carried. Example, pacemaker and implanted sensor to detect blood glucose level. The next one is PAN, Personal Area Network. It is formed by network devices around individuals, which include sensors, cameras, tablets, audio devices, cell phones, printers, and others. It uses short-range wireless technologies, mostly Bluetooth. Next, we will discuss the other common types of networks. Small home. A simple home network lets you share resources such as printers, documents, pictures, and music among local end devices. The next one is a SOHO, a small office and home office networks, which allow people to work from home or a remote office. Many self-employed workers use this type of networks to advertise and sell products, order supplies, and communicate with customers. In small business and homes, many computers function as both the server and the client on the network. This type of network is called a peer-to-peer network, which we discussed in lecture 1.2. Local area network. Local area network interconnects end devices in a limited area, such as home, schools, office building, or campus. LANs provide high-speed bandwidth to internal end devices and intermediary devices. A LAN is usually administered by a single organization or individual. Administrative control is enforced at the network level and governs the security and access control policies. Next one is MAN, or Metropolitan Area Network. It covers a larger area than LAN, such as small towns, cities, and similar areas. Can be administered by public or private companies, including the ISPs or Internet Service Providers. WAN, or Worldwide Network. WAN connects LANs over wide geographical area, such as between cities, states, provinces, countries, or continents. It is typically owned and managed by a large corporations or telecommunication service providers or ISPs. WANs provide slower speed links between LANs. Next, we will discuss the other category of the common types of networks. Intranets. It refers to a private connection of LAN and WAN also that belongs to an organization. An intranet is designed to be accessed only by the organization's members, employees, or other with authorization. Extranet. An organization may use an extranet to provide secure and safe access to individuals, customers, suppliers, partners, or collaborators who require access to the organization's data. Some examples of extranets are a hospital that is providing a booking system to doctors so that they can make appointments for their patients. A local office of education that is providing budget and personnel information to the schools in the region. Employees can also access extranet, but extranet users are not allowed to access the intranet. The last one is Internet. It is a collection of interconnected, private, and public networks. The Internet is not owned by any individual or group. Ensuring effective communication across the diverse infrastructure requires the application of consistent and commonly recognized technologies and standards, as well as the cooperation of many network administration agencies. There are organizations that were developed to help maintain the structure and standardization of Internet protocol and the process, which include Internet Engineering Task Force, responsible for technical standards that make up the TCP/IP suite. Internet Corporation for Assigned Name and Numbers, responsible for managing Internet protocol numbers and domain name system. Internet Architecture Board. It is a committee of Internet Engineering Task Force and an advisory body of Internet Society responsible for architectural oversight of Internet Engineering Task Force activities, Internet Standard Process Oversight and Appeal, and the appointment of request for comments editor. So here, employee can access intranet, extranet, and internet. But suppliers, customers, partners can access extranet and internet. Everyone can access the internet. If you have any question, please use the comment section below. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the internet connections. Thank you and see you there.